Hey y'all, it's your girl LAT, a live a little, live a lot, and today, as you've seen if you clicked on this video, I will be telling you how my gap closed in 5 months, like a little braces thing. I wrote it down, y'all, because I didn't want to forget the months. I've only had braces for 8 months now. I'm going on 8 months. Like, I just got my braces tightened the other day, and I got pink on the top and red on the bottom because I'm feeling Valentine's Day and all lovey-dovey, okay? And yeah, let's just get into it. I ain't gonna make this intro too long. Like, comment, subscribe, and go share with a friend or something. Stay tuned.
Like all the places we can go, all the things we can do, but it's just me and you. We ain't worried about tomorrow.
Alright, so first and foremost, I got my braces in July, and when I got them, I didn't even plan on really getting braces. I was in there, and I went in there actually for a cleaning of my regular teeth. I'll insert a picture of what my teeth look like before I had braces right here. I had a gap. My teeth were really straight though. They were never like crooked or like, you know, sometimes people have like their teeth crossed or like back and forth. You know what I'm trying to say. They was crisscrossing. My teeth were straight. I just had a gap. So I never really had a problem with my teeth. When I was a little younger, I used to be a little insecure about my teeth. I feel like I'm talking really fast. I'll slow down. I feel like when I was younger, I was a little insecure. I used to smile in pictures like this, like, but it like just drew more attention to it. So like, I used to want braces because I was insecure about it. But then as I got older and I got more confident in my teeth, because I realized like you're making people look at your teeth more than people already are, because like you're beautiful, girl. Like your gap makes you like a goddess African queen, okay? But you know, whatever the case, then when I got confident enough, I was like, I should get braces. Like, why not? You know, I don't care about what people say about my teeth no more. I don't care if like people crack jokes so like that. Now I'm getting braces just for me to just like, you know, upgrade and step up another level, because why not? And yeah, so I got braces in July. When I was there for a cleaning. Also, I wanted to add really quick, I was there with my sister that already had braces. She was there for a tightening, so yeah. But then they were like, you came in for a braces consultation? I went in for like one like the year before that, like back in August or something, but I had asked them about it. They were like, oh, okay, and they checked it, Then they did this little scanny thing on me, and I'm gonna insert a video right here of what I'm talking about. And then they were like, all right, you can get braces right now. I was like, right now? Like, I was just like, I'm gonna insert another clip after I got my braces, and I was like, I really good braces, y'all. I really good. Like, I was just really that in shock. Like, I never thought I would get braces because like my video had cut off, y'all. But okay, fast forward, yeah, I got braces in July, and I was just like so in shock, like, oh my gosh. And I only had got braces on my top row. Month 2, I went in, they had told me we're gonna put your bottom row braces on today. Y'all, today I'm getting my lower braces already. I thought it was gonna be longer, but I guess not. Yada yada yada. And people ask how long does it take for people to I'm trying to talk all fast because I don't want to make the video too long, but I'm gonna take my time, okay? People ask how long does it take to get the braces on and does it hurt? 1, it only took maybe 30 minutes, if that. And 2, no, it doesn't hurt. It just hurts maybe like 2 hours after the fact, and like your mouth just kind of feel weird because it's just like, oh, what is this on my mouth? And like your lips just sitting there like, but people always tell me you make my lips look more like, if that makes sense. But yeah, month 2, I got my bottom on, and then they told me that the way my alignment was, because I went to the dentist that time for a cleaning, and they were telling me about my tooth in the back. I had a cavity. It's the one right before your last molar, that one. And I was gonna have to get it pulled. At first they were gonna do a root canal, but they said that I waited too long to go in or whatever, because I didn't know that I had a cavity, even though I knew, because like I ended up biting into something and my tooth broke off. That's another story. But yes, basically I had to get that tooth pulled. And at first he was gonna say, like, the orthodontist was going to tell the dentist, like, you guys could save it. But he was like, he doesn't want me to get my braces off in the long run, and then like this tooth getting pulled after the fact, and then it messed my alignment up. So I had to get that tooth pulled. But the reason I had to get 4 pulled, including this one, was because they were going to fix my alignment now, since that's like almost a major molar. So they had to pull one right here, and right here as well. So it's like this, like they pulled 4 teeth like this, okay? So maybe about a week after I got my bottom row braces on, like they did the tightening, you know, you only go to the orthodontist once a month. I went and got 3 teeth pulled. They didn't get this one pulled because the orthodontist messed up. Not the orthodontist, I apologize. My orthodontist is amazing. The dentist messed up and didn't write down this tooth needed to be pulled when I went to the oral surgeon. When I went to the oral surgeon, they were like, I'm sorry, I can't pull it because, like, say like something happens and then they'll fall back on him. Like, he was like, I'm sorry, but I can only pull these 3, because the orthodontist had wrote down these 3, but the dentist didn't write down this one. The orthodontist couldn't write down for the dentist that this tooth has to be pulled. So y'all only got 3 teeth pulled, and I was all crying and sad. And I'm gonna insert another picture. If y'all want a story time on me getting my teeth pulled, I will do that as well, because that was kind of funny. And my sisters, they were laughing at me and stuff. But yeah. And so I didn't get to get that one pulled. So then I went on month 3, and they just did another tightening. That was September. I insert another picture if I have one. And then month 4, I finally got my 4th tooth pulled on the top row. So yeah, I feel like since I waited a month to get this one pulled, because I was so scared, because when they pulled these ones, that's a story time. If y'all want that, I'll tell that. But yeah, it was just a lot. But then I got this one. I feel like it made me like kind of a month behind, but kind of not at the same time, because they did still tighten my teeth when I went in on month 3. Oh yes, the reason I said that it put me behind a little bit was because they weren't able to put my rings on the back of my teeth to start pulling those spaces closed as well. But okay, month 5, I finally got my power chains. But right now, you see, look, I got them on the top and bottom. On month, let me see, I'm sorry, I wrote it down, y'all, so I didn't forget it. Month 5, I only got top power chains on my front 4 teeth. So this one, like right here. I'll insert a picture. And by the end of month 5, my gap was literally closed. Like, when I got it on month 5, my gap was maybe like a little slither, like a little ching. Like, I used to stick french fries and spaghetti and freaking straws through my gap, y'all. I'm weird, okay? Whatever. I did used to do that, though. I couldn't fit nothing through it. Like, I could just fit, like, maybe a penny, if that. Like, I ain't tried that. I should have tried that. Okay, whatever. But, yeah. And then on month 6, December, when that came, they did the same thing. They just left the power chains on these 4 teeth to just make sure my gap was like all the way closed. I'll insert a picture in December of how my gap was looking. It wasn't even a gap no more. Like, the little slither that was there, it was closed. And then by January, when we came back and I went to the orthodontist, they gave me power chains on the top and bottom all the way across. And that was last month. It's now February, and I got power chains on the top and bottom again. Hey y'all, so it's month 8 of my braces, and I realized that I've had braces for 7 months, but it's month 8. I'm getting ready to go in. I'm waiting for them to come out and check my temperature and all that, because I know Corona going on. They got a whole procedure, but I'm realized that I'm gonna insert my videos, and I'm gonna just talk about them as I insert them into the clips when I make my braces video, showing like that my gap's closed now. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm about to try to get 2 colors. I'm gonna try to get pink on the top and red on the bottom for like Valentine's Day. Even though I don't have a Valentine, but who cares? I want to be festive. There are no power chains on right now. He said they're just going to keep pulling the spaces and my teeth closed. I'm getting pink on the top and red on the bottom. And they said they just gonna keep pulling and closing those spaces or whatever. And I have rings on the back of my teeth in the back, by the way, y'all. So they gonna pull those up, because I'm not gonna get fake teeth. He was like, it's best to just keep all your real teeth, you know, because yada yada yada. And I didn't really want fake teeth in my mouth anyways, because I feel like in the long run it's just gonna be a whole lot of. So yeah, they got rings on the teeth. Like, there's a space where I got the teeth pulled, and then the ring is on the tooth behind it, and there's a wire right there to pull it up. So those spaces are going to be closed. So I feel like those are the main spaces that'll like take the longest for my braces, etc. And yeah, so this is my teeth now. Y'all see? My gap is closed. And I feel like I really do look different, but I look the same at the same time, like with my braces. But yeah, I got them pink on the top and red on the bottom to be like festive for Valentine's Day. But that's basically my braces journey so far. I will make more in-depth videos about braces if you guys want, because I know right after I got braces, because I didn't know I was going to get them, I went to watch so many braces videos. I was just like, oh my gosh, can I eat? Oh yeah, I'll insert that clip too, when I was trying to take my first bite. I don't know why I feel like I can't use my teeth. The first food I had after I got braces was macaroni from Chick-fil-A, and I could barely eat it because I was just like, I was acting like a little kid that never had food before, okay? But yeah, it is now February and it's month 8, like I just said, and I got them tightened again. They put a thinner wire on my top row and put the power chain all the way across. It was a thicker wire up there. It's a thicker wire on the bottom. You can't really tell, but I know because he told me when he did it. So basically, my gap was literally closed in 5 months, because going into month 6, not having been month 6 yet, my gap was closed. So I was just so shocked, because like you never realize how things evolve and change and like so fast, and the time is really going by that fast, and it's just like, dang, I just had a gap for 19 years of my life and now it's just gone in 5 months. Like, that's how you know things could just change so fast, as long as you do the work and like go to your appointments in life, and then, you know, orthodontist. Y'all get what I'm trying to say. But yeah, enough of me talking and all. Like, here's my teeth. Cheese, like I said already. And thank you for viewing if you watched all the way to the end, and I hope I helped some newcomer people with braces. And if you have a gap, so you can have a guesstimate about how long your gap might take to close, etc., etc. They told me I'm supposed to have braces for 2 years, but he told me he just put the longest thing to just be safe, because, you know, say I miss an appointment or something comes up, etc., like how I had to get my teeth pulled in the beginning. So he said it might only really take a year and a half. So I might have my braces off come like September, you know, if I go to all my appointments and stay on time. I don't know if I really will though, because it just depends how fast your body heals itself, basically. Not heals because like I wasn't broken. Y'all get what I'm trying to say, but okay. Thank you for viewing. It's your girl LAT, live a lot, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Go tell your mama, granny, weird uncle, and bald-head cousin. Okay, if you haven't yet, what is you doing? Until next time, angels, peace and blessings. Peace and chicken green.